Right, so today I got these splitters in, which are going to mount right in here like this. I haven't decided if I want those or if I want to order a completely new bumper. But also, if I keep this bumper, I want to paint this inside piece. And we're also going to be stripping the Eclipse off the rear bumper. So now we get the tools out and get started stripping this bumper down. Almost got the bumper off. Let's go back here and see how my wife is doing. How's it going back here?
Just got one more letter left.
Awesome.
Yep. Pretty easy.
And just scrape them good like the E.
Yeah.
So she got the Eclipse off the back bumper. And I got the initial splitter set up. I'm just waiting for the paint to come in. And I haven't decided if I'm going to paint this or if I'm going to get a grill insert for the bottom. I don't know yet. Anyway, enough for today. It's freaking hot.